Now a real Python favorite, the list comprehension, a compact way to build a list in a single line. A list comprehension builds a new list from an existing sequence. The shape is an opening square bracket, an expression, then for item in iterable. You can add an if at the end to filter. It says the same thing as a loop that appends, but shorter and clearer. We begin with a list of numbers, 1 through 5. This line reads, n times n, for each n in numbers. It squares every value and collects the results into a brand new list called squares. Running it gives 1, 4, 9, 16, and 25. Each number squared, collected into a new list. Compared with a for loop that appends, the comprehension says the same thing in one readable line, with no setup. For simple transforms, it's the Pythonic choice. Remember the shape, expression, for, item, in, iterable. Add an if to filter, and reach for it whenever you're turning one sequence into a list.